Are you trying to use ChatGPT but suddenly seeing this message, there is a problem with your request? Don't worry, in this video I will guide you through how can you fix it. First, let's understand the issue. This error usually means ChatGPT cannot process your request properly. Most ChatGPT errors happen due to browser issue, internet problems or temporary server glitches. Now let's fix it. First, if you are using the ChatGPT app, go to App Info. From here, find the storage option and tap on it. Then clear data. By clearing data, you can fix all the glitches if there are any glitches available in the app. Now open your mobile settings, then find the connection option and tap on it. Now here make sure to use a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off and on. If you are using mobile data, then switch between another network. Restart your router if needed. Now go to this more connection option and disconnect VPN if there any VPN connected. Now tap on private DNS and turn off all kind of DNS. Now if you are using a browser, clear browser cache and cookies. If you are using the app, then open Play Store and update your app from here. Now open ChatGPT app and log in your account. The error should be fixed now. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech solutions. If you still have any issue, drop a comment below. Thank you.